Yo, what's going on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast, man. And yeah, I got the G63 here, man. Not the G550, this is the G63. It's a big boy, man. Gorgeous truck, guys. Gorgeous truck. The truck is beautiful. It's a great truck to purchase. It holds its value, this vehicle, and you get to enjoy it. It's fast. It's comfortable inside. It's aggressive. So my dude just said, listen, let me get some 24s on here. Keep it clean, keep it simple. Let me drive the vehicles. I drive a lot of highway miles and stuff like that. I said, no problem. Let's go with 24 Forgiatos, man. Why not? Custom made, all gloss black. We wrapped them into 295/30 24-inch Toyos. So it's got a good drive on it. It's a smooth driving vehicle. This truck is sexy. At the same time, it's aggressive, right? So Coast to Coast Customs, not only donks and cutlasses and regals, yeah, G-Wagons. Always something different, man. Coast to Coast Customs, baby. Listen guys, Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, when I tell people to stay in your own lane, stay in your own lane. Do what makes you happy. That's so important, right? My man built this truck probably 15 years ago. It still looks good. Man, the paint still is good on this vehicle. He just wanted to change the wheels. He wanted to update the wheels a little bit, put some 26s with the big floating cap, to update the vehicle a little bit. But I'm telling you, 15 years ago, guy put it together, man, all molded this. Now we drive the vehicle, he enjoys the vehicle, so there's some little scratches, some things and dents. He's got a TV set back here, some stereo set back up here. He's ready, looks like he's ready for the Canes party. That's what it looks like to me, man, hurricane party. That's what I see right here, man. Coast to Coast Customs, it's so important to do what makes you happy, guys. It's your money, you're spending it, enjoy your vehicle. Don't worry about anybody else, man. Peace.
We got Avatar playing.